So we're on the Dobot stand, and we're just going to get a quick intro. This lady, like, what's your name? Sorry.
Hi guys, I'm Sienna from Dobot company,
Okay.
Robotics. So I'm a sales operation for the overseas marketing. So currently you will see our product here in IREX. So today we release our new product like the this CR30 Edge. It's for loading of the 30 kilogram, the biggest one nice.
Okay. Okay. It's a big robot, isn't it? It's a big robot.
Yeah.
So what's the payload of that robot?
Yes, this robot will be a good solution for the uploading and unloading scenarios, also for your televising scenarios.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So I think the best case will be you can use it in your manufacturing.
Yeah.
Also for your logistic scenarios.
Yeah.
Both works.
And the weight. So what's the pay? Okay. So that's 30 kilos.
Yeah.
So it's a 30-kilo robot. It's got a reach of 1.8. So that's quite a good reach as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we also can combine it with our new technology with the safety spin. This means it's more safety for the people can integrate with our robotics.
Right.
So
Okay.
when we close it, it can skip up. It can just get away.
Right. And with that soft skin, is that stuff that you can touch, or is it like you can go there?
Yeah. So when you come in around 15 centimeters,
Okay.
that will get away.
Right. So it starts to slow down or to stop completely?
It can slow down.
Slow down.
Move away.
Move away from
Yeah,
it. Yeah.
if you close it, if you be closer to it,
Yeah.
it will just stop insisting.
Right. Right.
So it will make everything more safe.
Right. And that's now. It's got the soft skin on it now.
This one is no with the safety.
Okay,
Now
okay.
we can combine it together.
Right.
So for other solutions after the year, right, we already have the safety.
Right. Okay. So you got obviously a big range with the collaborative robot range. I saw you had a 3 kilo, 6 kilo. Is it a 12 and a 16 kilo for your CR range?
Currently the standard loading only the 60 kilo is the most one.
It's the most. Yeah. Yeah.
But if the scenario we need the more biggest, we can customize on it.
Right.
That depends. That depends.
Okay.
Okay.
And then I've got some videos of your humanoid as well. So, like, tell me a little bit about your humanoid robot.
So we just launched our artist, first the humanoid robot in July.
July, yeah.
Yeah, so they are AI embedded technology partly. So that means they can collect the data when users take some movement to him, so it can train by itself.
Right.
For example, they can do the action. First time, if it's wrong, they can then by themselves and fix the issue.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's got like AI learning capabilities.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What's the weight of the robot? The weight.
Whites?
Weight.
Oh,
Like the weight of the robot.
No, Unirobo is our partner. It's located in Japan. Especially in Nagoya, they have the branch here.
So they're your Japanese partner.
Yeah, our local partner. We are really close currently and for a long years.
And you got a dog as well. I haven't seen the dog.
The six
Hang on.
dogs. Oh, sorry, let's go here.
Let's go and have a look at the dog. Yeah. I didn't realise Dobot did a dog. Okay, interesting.
Yeah, we also launched hi guys. So we also launched the new product about the robot dogs here.
Is that brand new?
Six legs.
6 legs.
It's more stable, so you can use it in outside environment.
Yeah.
Using some small materials or something else.
Is that brand new? I've never seen that before.
It's our brand.
Yeah.
It's a new product.
Oh wow, okay.
And we also have the 4 legs version.
You got 4 legs as well, yeah.
4 legs version and the 4 legs with a wheel.
Right.
Yeah.
And what sort of price is the dog?
Yeah, it's a dog.
So price, like money for the dog, like how much is it?
We haven't released the standard price for Japan market.
Okay.
But in China, it's a good price.
It's a good price, yeah?
Good price.
Okay.
So that means the end user can just purchase our product
Yeah.
Maybe use it in your family.
Yeah.
It's really friendly.
It's quite good. It's got 6 legs.
Yes,
Yeah.
So that means we can use the 4 legs here to loading something.
Right.
But you also have a
Front legs to do something.
movement, like a scratch or something else.
Yeah. And
It depends. And by the way, it's also can combine our cobots here, right?
right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that means we can do more scenario.
Right. But how much does it weigh? It looks quite heavy.
It's about 10 to 10 or 10 to 15
Okay.
kilograms. They can loading so much.
You can load on it. Yeah. Okay, it's quite cool. And it's got like the automation there as well.
Yeah. One camera here and
Yeah.
one camera in the back.
On the back as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Are you
they can simulation the environment
around it so you can see around it? Yeah.
scan the environment.
Okay. Are you going to have it going like later on?
Uh,
Are you going to have the robot working like later on?
Sorry.
Is someone going to be like
Yes.
controlling the robot?
You can use the machine to control it.
To actually control it. Yeah.
Like a toy.
Yeah. No, that's quite cool. It's quite cool. Yeah, it's the first time. It's the first time I've seen that robot. Yeah. Are you allowed to control it? Is it on? Can you switch it on?
No, sorry. 我们有那
I heard the pressure
个
on now.
摇杆可以控制它。Oh, sorry, it's no power currently.
Okay, it's fine. But maybe later.
Yeah, maybe later.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, like I'll come back later. Maybe like later on, see it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the dog. Yeah, that's about it. And you got the normal cobot. So I think that's a good overview. That's perfect.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Cool.
For visiting.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that's great. Yeah, it'd be good to see the dog. I mean, are they going to get it working like later on?
We will let another version working later.
Okay.
Both of them are on charging.
They're charging.
Another one is with the 4-leg and the wheel.
Right. Okay. So I'm here tomorrow and the next day. So I'll come back.
Maybe.
See it. Yeah.
You can contact me.
Yeah.
Sorry, my card.
Yeah, I've got code. Okay, thank you.
I'm Sienna.
Nice to meet you, Sienna.
Okay, cool. Really?
Yeah, I'm from the UK. Yeah, I'm from the UK. Yeah. Okay, no, it's fine. Yeah, thank you for that. Thank you.
Welcome again.
That's okay. I'm gonna have a wander around. So, okay, I'll see you again.
See you again.
Thank you. Cool. Bye. Okay. Okay, that's a quick overview of Dobot. And their Dobot dog, which is quite cool. I'm just going to do another little video of that. I didn't realise they actually did a dog. Let's just do a quick show of that. So Dobot dog with 6 legs. It's more like a Dobot spider. Okay. Oh, thank you. Okay, so that was interesting. Hi Roy, why do you think they've chose a 6-leg design? So what she was saying is that it makes it more stable. And I'm guessing if you have 4 legs on the ground, then potentially the front legs can actually do something. Was what she said, is what like the lady was saying to me. So yeah, I'll try to swing by a bit later on to see it working. I'd quite like to see it working, but there's been quite a few dogs. Like the one I showed you earlier was Tron 1. So Tron 1 is obviously the 2-legged, not such a dog, but the two-legged little droid with wheels. And there's also another one, which is a dog that splits in half. So he has 2 legs, a bit like Tron 1, and then it can join up with another dog with another 2 legs, and it becomes a proper quadruped. And then I don't know if it joins up again to make 6, but yeah, interesting. Right, let's carry on.